How to update your Hulu TV payment method. In this video, I will explain you each and everything that how you can update your Hulu TV payment method. So first of all, you have to just visit any of the browser here and just visit this website hulu.com. And once you are here, you have to log in on your account. So on the top right, you can see there's an option of login here. Just click on this. Once you click on this, it will ask you to log out or try again. So make sure you just log in. You need to have that subscription or account to log in into your Hulu account, right? Once you have logged in into your account, on the top right, you will see your profile icon. So just click on, first of all, you have to access your settings, right? Account settings. So just click on your account and go to the account setting. This will take you to your account management page. Now you have to navigate to your payment information. So you will find an option under the drop down section, payment information, billing information, or similar something like that. So click on it to access your current payment details. And once you have found it, you just need to update your payment method. So basically, for example, if you want to add your bank card for your credit or debit card, you have to just enter your card number, CVV, and your expiration date number, right? And once it's done, if you want to do it, you can also update with your PayPal too. So just click on edit, and once you have entered all the information, click on update. And once you have entered all the details, you have to just make sure you save it, right? So only if you will save your billing address, your credit card information, then only you will able to update your Hulu payment information. And if everything is going all right, you can just verify the changes and confirm on your TV. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.